Hi everyone, welcome to the new CME Learning Portal. Today I'm going to show you how to register for a new account. This is your home page. At any point through navigating the system, if you need to return to the home page, just click the home button right here. Now let's register for a new account. In the right hand corner, you'll see the register button. Go ahead and click. The first thing we're going to do is create a username. Choose something that's going to be easy for you to remember. Spaces are allowed, but punctuation is not, except for periods, hyphens, apostrophes, and underscores. Next, you'll enter your email address. If you had an account with the old CME system called Tracker, please use the same email address you used before, so your past credits can be transferred to the new account seamlessly. Please note that we will also be sending confirmation emails and notifications to this email address. Below, you'll enter a password, then confirm your password. Now we are ready for the name section. We ask that you enter your full name as it appears on your medical license. This will help with reporting your CME credits. When your transcripts are recorded with the name that's on your medical license, it makes it easier for your licensure or certification organization to identify your CME credit earnings. Next, fill in your mailing address, the address you would prefer to get CME-related mail, such as brochures for upcoming conferences. Next, find your credential or degree. If yours is not listed, please choose Other. This section helps us give credit appropriate to your degree. This section is really a personal preference. Please enter your credentials as you would like them to appear on your certificates. Below is your current status, whether you're an active professional, a medical student, resident fellow, or if you're retired. Next, enter your medical license number. If you do not have a medical license number, enter 000 or 01234. Once you enter your medical license number, choose the state to which you are licensed. Next, you will choose your medical specialty. Choose the closest to which you practice. Right here is your affiliation to the organization. Either it's GHS, GHS affiliate, or non-GHS. If it's non-GHS, please specify in this box right here. This area right here is not mandatory. If you would like to earn MOC credits, which is maintenance of certification, please enter your certification board name. Next, you will enter your diplomate number or your certification number. If you do not know this number, please contact your medical specialty board. You'll also need to enter your date of birth. This is another mandatory field in order to report MOC credits. Next, enter your mobile phone number and choose the country to which your phone is registered. This area will give you the ability to text in your attendance and earn CME credits for regular scheduled series such as Ground Rounds and M&Ms. Now, let's create a new account. If everything is correct on the registration screen, you'll be taken back to the home page where you can confirm your mobile phone number. You will receive a text with a confirmation code you'll enter on this screen. Once you enter that phone number, click Confirm. Now your registration is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to register for a new account.